On number 4, the order is coming in for 1/2 grain of phenobarbital. So I'm going to set up my proportion, and it's 1/2 grain. Now the strength, I really see two strengths listed here. So 15 milligrams and 1/4 grain. So because the order is coming in with grains, I'm going to use the grains strength. So 1/4 grain. And because this is tablets, I'm putting this over 1 tab. Now if you don't want to deal with fractions, and I don't, I'm going to convert each of these to decimals. So you can just divide the numerator by the denominator. So then to solve the proportion, you do 1 times 0.5 divided by 0.25, and you get 2. So x is equal to 2 tablets. On question number 5, the order is coming in at 22.5 milligrams of phenobarbital. So it's the same label, but this time I want to use the 15 milligrams because that's going to match with the 22.5 milligrams. So same label, but I'm just using the other strength. And it's still over 1 tab. So 1 times 22.5 divided by 15, and we get 1.5 tabs.